Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Listening English Anywhere. My name is Sophie.
And I'm Tom. We are so happy to have you here today. In this podcast, we practice simple English for daily life. You can listen anywhere, at home, on the bus, or even when you are walking outside.
That's right. And today we have a fun and colorful topic. We are going to talk about colors and clothes.
Colors are everywhere. We see them in nature, in food, in our houses, and especially in the clothes we wear. Knowing how to talk about colors is very useful in English.
Yes. For example, you can say, the sky is blue, the sun is yellow, the apple is red. These are very simple sentences, but they help you speak English every day.
And of course, clothes are also very important. We wear clothes every day, and we often talk about them. We can say things like, my shirt is white, her dress is green, or I like black shoes.
In this lesson, you will learn how to use colors and clothes together. We will ask and answer questions like, what color is your t-shirt? Or, do you like this red hat? Tom.
We will also practice short conversations, so you can listen, repeat, and use them in real life.
So, get ready, relax, and let's enjoy learning English together. Today's topic is colors and clothes. Part 1, talking about favorite colors, extended. Tom, let's start with a simple question. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. I like blue because it is the color of the sky and the sea. When I see blue, I feel calm and relaxed. Also, I have many blue clothes. My t-shirt is blue, my jacket is blue, even my school bag is blue.
That's funny. You really love blue. I also like blue, but my favorite color is red. Red is bright and strong. When I wear a red dress, I feel confident and happy.
Yes, red is very popular. People often wear red shirts, red shoes, or even red hats. Red is also the.
Exactly. And some people prefer green. Green is the color of nature. The grass is green, the trees are green. Green makes us feel fresh. I have a green skirt, and I always feel nice when I wear it.
I agree. Green is beautiful. And don't forget yellow. Yellow is the color of the sun. It is warm and bright. Many children like yellow because it feels happy.
Yes! Yellow flowers are beautiful too. I like to wear yellow in the summer. It feels sunny and cheerful. Tom.
Some people like black. Black clothes are simple and modern. Black is easy to match with any other color. For example, a black t-shirt looks good with blue jeans or with white trousers.
Sophie. That's true. I often wear black shoes because they go with everything.
And let's not forget white. White is clean and light. Many people wear white shirts to school or to work.
Yes. For example, my brother wears a white shirt every day for school. It looks smart and simple.
So, Sophie, let's practice with our listeners. Everyone, think about your favorite color. Is it blue, red, green, yellow, black, white, or maybe another color like pink, orange, or purple?
Yes! You can say, my favorite color is blue, or my favorite color is pink. Try to say it now in English.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. My favorite color is pause. Great job!
Talking about your favorite color is a great way to start a conversation in English. It's simple, but very useful. Part 2. Using colors to describe clothes. Extended. Tom, in part 1, we talked about our favorite colors. Now, let's use colors to talk about our clothes.
Good idea. Clothes and colors are always together. For example, I can say, my t-shirt is blue. It's very easy. Color plus clothes.
Yes, I am wearing a red dress today. Red is my favorite color, and I think this red dress looks nice.
You look great, Sophie. And I am wearing a white shirt and black trousers. White and black are simple, but they always look smart together.
That's true. Many people wear white and black for school or work. For example, students often wear a white shirt with dark trousers or a skirt.
Exactly. And let's give more examples for our listeners. She has a green skirt. He wears a yellow hat. They have blue jeans. See? Very simple sentences, but very useful in daily life.
Yes. And don't forget about shoes. Shoes can be black, brown, white, or even colorful. I have pink shoes, and I really like them.
Ha 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 ha. That's nice. I have brown shoes. They are comfortable and easy to wear every day.
Let's practice a little game. I will say the color, and you say the clothes. Ready?
Yes,
Okay. Blue,
blue jeans,
green,
green t-shirt,
black.
black shoes.
Very good. Now, dear listeners, it's your turn. Think of a color and a piece of clothing. For example, yellow dress, red jacket, white shirt. Try to say it out loud now.
Great practice. And remember, you can also describe your friend's clothes. For example, my friend has a purple bag. Or my brother wears a gray jacket.
Yes, that's very useful. When you meet new people, you can describe them with colors and clothes. For example, the girl with the red dress is my friend, or the boy with the blue t-shirt is my classmate.
So, Sophie, what color do you usually wear?
I usually wear white and pink. White is simple, and pink is soft and pretty.
And I usually wear blue and black. Blue is my favorite color, and black is easy to match.
Sophie, that's perfect. Listeners, what about you? What color do you usually wear? Try to say it in English. I usually wear,
Yes, for example, I usually wear a black t-shirt. Or, I usually wear blue jeans. Practice with your own clothes.
Part 3, talking about clothes and shopping. Tom, do you like shopping for clothes?
Sometimes, yes. I like to buy new clothes, but I don't shop very often.
I like shopping for clothes. When I go to a shop, I always look at the colors first. For example, I like red dresses and pink skirts.
That's interesting. I usually buy blue or black clothes. My favorite t-shirt is blue, and my shoes are black. They are easy to wear every day.
Yes, black and blue are very popular colors. Many people like them. Do you sometimes ask in the shop, do you have this in another color?
Yes, I do. For example, one time I saw a white shirt. It was nice, but I asked, do you have it in blue? And they gave me a blue one.
That's a very useful question. I often ask the same. Last week, I wanted a green skirt, but the shop only had it in yellow. I didn't like yellow, so I didn't buy it.
Ha 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 ha. Yes, sometimes we like the style, but not the color.
Exactly. Listeners, you can practice sentences like these. I want a red dress. Or do you have black shoes? Very simple, but very useful.
Yes, let's give more examples. I like the blue jacket. I don't like the green hat. Can I see the white shoes?
Good! And remember, When you shop online, colors are also very important. You must choose the right color before you buy.
That's true. I sometimes buy t-shirts online, and I always choose blue.
And I always choose red or pink when I buy online.
So, Sophie, what is your favorite thing to buy?
I like to buy dresses, especially red or pink dresses.
And I like to buy shoes, usually black shoes.
Great! So, shopping is not only fun, but also a good chance to practice English.
Part 4. Talking about colors and clothes in daily life.
Tom, what do you usually wear every day?
On normal days, I usually wear a blue t-shirt and black jeans. Blue and black are easy colors. They are simple, and I feel comfortable.
That's nice. On school days, I usually wear a white shirt and a black skirt. White and black are common in many schools.
Yes, many students wear white shirts and black trousers or skirts. It looks smart and clean.
And on weekends, when I go out with friends, I like to wear a red dress or a pink t shirt. Red and pink make me feel happy.
That sounds fun. On weekends, I usually wear blue jeans and a gray jacket. Gray is not very bright, but it is easy to match.
Yes, gray is simple and useful. Do you also wear shoes in different colors?
Not really. I usually wear black shoes. They go well with everything. Sometimes I wear white shoes, but mostly black.
I like colorful shoes. I have pink shoes and yellow shoes. They are not for school, but they are fun to wear outside.
Ha ha ha. That's true. Colorful shoes are fun.
Tom, what about your family? What does your brother usually wear?
My brother usually wears a green t-shirt and blue jeans. He likes green very much.
And my sister usually wears a purple dress. She says purple is her favorite color.
Interesting. So in daily life, we all have our own favorite colors for clothes.
Yes. Listeners, think about your daily clothes. Do you usually wear black, white, red, blue, or maybe another color? Try to say it in English now. I usually wear.
Good idea. For example, I usually wear a white shirt, or I usually wear blue jeans. Try to make your own sentence.
Great practice. Talking about clothes in daily life is very easy, and it's something we can do every day.
Part 5. Practice and review.
Tom, today we talked a lot about colors and clothes. Let's review together.
Good idea. First, let's practice colors. Sophie, can you say some colors?
Sure. Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, pink, purple, gray, brown.
Great. Now, listeners, let's repeat together. Ready? Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, pink, purple, gray, brown.
Very good. Now let's practice clothes. Tom, say some clothes.
Okay. T-shirt, shirt, dress, skirt, jeans, trousers, jacket, shoes, hat, bag.
Excellent. Listeners, repeat after me. T-shirt, shirt, dress, skirt, jeans, trousers, jacket, shoes, hat, bag.
Perfect. Now let's put colors and clothes together. For example, a red dress, blue jeans, a white shirt, black shoes.
Yes. Let's give more examples. A green skirt, a pink t-shirt, a purple bag, a yellow hat.
Now, let's practice sentences. Sophie, can you ask me a question?
Sure. What color is your t-shirt?
My t-shirt is blue. And what color is your dress?
My dress is red.
Great. Listeners, try to make your own sentences. My shirt is, or my shoes are.
Yes. For example, my shoes are black or my bag is white.
And don't forget, you can also talk about your family and friends. For example, my brother wears a green t-shirt, or my sister has a pink skirt. Sophie,
That's right. And when you go shopping, you can use these phrases. Do you have this in blue? I want a red dress. I like the black shoes. I don't like this color.
very useful for real life.
So, listeners, let's review one more time. Colors, clothes, and simple sentences to use them together.
Yes, practice every day. Look at your clothes in the morning and say, my t-shirt is white. My trousers are black. My shoes are brown. This will help you remember. Sophie,
Exactly. And next time you go shopping, try to say one or two sentences in English. It will make learning fun.
so, Sophie, today's lesson was very colorful.
Haha, yes. Colors and clothes are part of our life, and now our listeners can talk about them in English.
Great job, everyone. Closing, summary, and goodbye.
So, Tom, today we talked a lot about colors and clothes.
Yes, we did. It was a fun lesson. Let's quickly review what we learned.
First, we talked about favorite colors. For example, my favorite color is blue, or my favorite color is red.
Then we learned how to use colors to describe clothes. For example, a green skirt, a yellow hat, a black t-shirt. Very simple and very useful.
After that, we talked about shopping. We practiced asking questions like, do you have this in blue? Or I want a red dress. These sentences are perfect when you go to a shop.
Yes. And we also talked about daily life. We said sentences like, I usually wear a white shirt, or my shoes are black. You can practice this every day with your own clothes.
Exactly! And finally, we practiced together with colors and clothes. We repeated words, phrases, and made simple sentences.
So now, listeners, you can talk about your favorite colors, describe your clothes, and even shop for clothes in English.
That's right. Remember, practice is very important. Every morning, look at your clothes and say them in English. For example, my shirt is white. My trousers are blue. My shoes are black.
Yes, practice a little every day, and English will become easy.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode.
And we hope you learned many new words and sentences.
Thank you for listening to Listening English Anywhere.
See you next time in our podcast. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.